Hello students, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start class 11th microeconomics video number 5th. In this video we are going to discuss about positive economics and normative economics. Positive economics deals with the actual happening, means it present the real picture of fact without any comment and suggestion. Means positive economics deal with the positive issue. With the help of example, I am going to explain you. Like if we are saying India is an overpopulated country, so this is the actual happening, or it presents the real picture of fact. This is not any comment or suggestion. This is the real fact that India is an overpopulated country. So this positive economics deals with what is, what was, and what will be. So here definition is also written. Positive economics deals with economic issue, or we can say economic behavior related to past, present and future. This positive economics tell about any economic issue or any problem which is related to, which have done in past, which is going in present and which will be in future, and it should be real picture. Like if we are talking about past, if we are saying on the eve of independence, poverty in India affected larger percentage of population. So this is the past and it show the real picture. This is the actual happening which done in past. If we are saying 22% of population in India is absolutely poor, or we can say living below poverty line. So this is an observation related to present. Or if we are saying if population in India continue to grow to at existing rate, the percentage of population below poverty line will exceed 22% in the year 2020 or 2021. It is an observation related to the future. So this positive economics deal with actual happening of economic problems or economic behavior which is related to present, past or future. Or we can say positive economics is, what was and what will be, whereas this normative economics deals with what ought to be and what ought to have been, or we can say it deals with norms of facts and suggestion. It promotes social and economic values. Like normative economics deal with the opinion of the economist related to economic issue or economic problem. Like if we are saying the fundamental principle of economic development should be the development of our rural India, or we can say in agricultural income should also be taxed. So we are giving our opinion. This is not real fact or the real thing which is happening in our economy. Next, statement of positive economics relate to what was, what is and what would be, but this normative economics relate to what ought to be. Next, statement of positive economics are not necessarily the statement of truth. These statements are not always truth. These may be true or false. But if we are talking about this normative economics, normative statement cannot be termed as true or false. These statements involve opinion only. This positive statement may be true or false, but here it is not a matter of true or false. This statement or these statements involve opinions only. The simple way we can understood or we can understand that positive economics show the actual happening, what is, what was, and what will be, and this normative economics will be what ought to be, what ought, or we can say what ought to have been. Here in positive economics we are talking about the questions, we are talking about the problems, economic issue, and in normative economics we are talking about the solution, we are talking about the opinion, we are talking about the suggestion. Through example we can easily understood. The first example, somebody say population of India is more than population of China. It is definitely a positive statement. This is positive statement. This is not any opinion or not suggestion, just we are saying it, but this is wrong. One can verify it. Means this positive economics can be verified, but normative economics cannot be verified. Somebody say that old age pension should be stopped. So this is the suggestion or this is the opinion. This is just an opinion. This is not real fact. So this is normative economics because it doesn't deal with real happenings. This is only opinion or only suggestion, solution we can say. Next, fact and figure are verifiable for truth. And here in normative statement, this is not verifiable, this is not verified. Positive economics does not involve value judgment, but this normative economics involve value judgment. So in simple language we can understood that positive economics deal with actual happening or it show the real picture, it deal with the problem of the economy, and normative economics deal with the fact and suggestions, and this is adopted for economic betterment of people, because here we are talking about the solution, we are talking about the suggestion, opinions. I hope you understood this topic, positive economics and normative economics. Moving forward, one of the most important topic, what is opportunity cost? Opportunity cost means opportunity lost, or with the help of example we can understood this. If there is 1 acre land and land can produce rice worth rupees 5,000, or this same land can produce wheat worth 8,000. If farmer use this land, either he can produce rice worth 5,000 or he can produce wheat worth 8,000. So the rational producer or farmer will forego, or we can say leave, the production of rice worth 5,000 for the shake of wheat rupees worth 8,000. So here we can say the opportunity cost for producing wheat will be 5,000. Opportunity cost is the wheat for rupees 5,000. So opportunity cost is also called the transfer earning of the factor or the cost for next best foregone alternative. In simple term we can say that opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative foregone, Or we can take one more simple example. Opportunity cost means, suppose there is one man, or we can say there is one person who is employed, who is doing job and getting salary rupees 3000 per month. If he shift himself to business, he leaves job or he shift himself to business, so he will be losing rupees 3000 per month from the service for the sake of getting business. For the getting business, he is leaving job of rupees 3000 per month. So that job 3000 is the opportunity cost for getting business. So opportunity cost is the opportunity lost, or we can say the amount of one good which we are sacrificing for gaining the other good. For gaining the other good. So this is our opportunity cost. Moving further, if we are talking about marginal opportunity cost, it is linked with opportunity cost only. In opportunity cost, we talk about if we are sacrificing some unit or something. If we are sacrificing, we are losing something for gaining another thing, or we can say we have to sacrifice some units of good for getting the another good. So this is our opportunity cost. And in marginal opportunity cost, we are talking about the rate of sacrifice. In opportunity cost, only we are talking about the sacrifice. We are losing something. So here in marginal opportunity cost, we are talking about the rate of sacrifice is called marginal opportunity cost, or MOC. With the help of this example, we can better understood. Here we are having wheat in lakh quintal, machinery in thousand, and last column is for MOC. This example we have taken in production possibility curve also. Now here also for marginal opportunity cost, we are taking this example. Suppose if we are using our resources, we are using our technology, and we are giving all the resources to machine, so we are going to produce 15,000 machinery and zero wheat. If we want to increase the production of wheat, so we have to decrease the production of machine. So if we are going to produce 1 lakh quintal wheat, so we are going to decrease the production of machinery. That is, we are moving from 15,000 to 14,000. Again, we have to increase the production of wheat from 1 lakh quintal to 2 lakh quintal. If we are going to increase the production of one commodity, so we have to make loose, or we have to sacrifice the production of machinery. So we are moving from 14,000 to 12,000. Again, from 2 lakh quintal wheat to 3 lakh quintal wheat, we are sacrificing the machinery. From 12,000 to 9,000, we are moving from 3 lakh quintal wheat to 4. Here 9,000 to 5,000 machinery. Again, we are giving all our resources for the production of wheat. We are moving from 4 lakh quintal to 5 lakh quintal, and we are giving to machinery 5 to 0. So how we are going to calculate this sacrifice? The formula for marginal opportunity cost is delta loss upon delta gain. So first of all, how much we are losing? If we are looking to machine, in machine we are losing, so we are losing 15,000 to 14,000. 15 minus 14, that is 1. So delta loss is 1 upon, and how much we are gaining? 0 to 1, same 1. So 1 divided by 1, that is 1. Again, if we are moving from 14 machinery to 12, we are losing 2 machinery. Here we are gaining 1. We are gaining 1 because we are moving from 1 to 2. So 2 we are losing, 2 upon 1, that is 2 MOC. Again we are moving from 12 to 9, so we are losing 3. Here we are gaining 1, so that is our MOC is 3. Again we are losing from 9 machinery to 5, so we are losing 4 and we are gaining 1, so 4 divided by 1, that is 4. Again we are losing 5 to 0, 5 upon we are gaining 1, 5 upon 1, that is 1. So our MOC, the rate of sacrifice is 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. This schedule is showing the marginal opportunity cost of wheat for getting 1 lakh additional quintal of wheat. For getting 1 lakh additional quintal of wheat, we have to sacrifice some units of machinery. For getting wheat, we have to sacrifice some units of machinery. For example, if we want to produce 2 lakh quintal of wheat, so we have to sacrifice the cost of 2 lakh quintal of machine. If we have to produce 2 lakh quintal of wheat, so we have to sacrifice the cost of 2000. Same, if we want to get 3 lakh quintal of wheat, so we have to sacrifice some unit of machinery. So this schedule moves like this. In opportunity cost, we are talking about that we are sacrificing something, but in marginal opportunity cost, we are talking about the rate, to what rate we are sacrificing one good for getting the another good. In PPC also we have talked about this MOC. If we are getting MOC in increasing manner, so the shape of PPC is concave. I hope you all understood. Thank you.